Tennis Anyone coaches. Coach Bill here with my daughter Bia, and we're going to be working on serves for beginners. She's more of a low intermediate, but this will be a perfect way for you to be able to bring the serve, which is a fairly complex motion, into the beginning classes. So Bia, good seeing you. How you doing this morning?
Good.
Good. I'm hot and sweaty. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm going to show you my full service motion. All right, so here's my full service motion right here. Full service motion. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to start with a half motion, and we're going to do service traps. So here's a ball for you. Come on over. All right, come on over. And we're going to line up on the fence, and I'm going to go left foot on the fence, back scratch, toss and trap. This is a half motion that we're doing. Half motion, okay? And try again. Left foot on the fence. Okay, back scratch. Scratch your back. Good, toss and trap. Awesome. Do your best to toss right along the fence, and better to do it not in front of the pole. Try it again. Back scratch. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Back scratch. Good, toss and trap. Awesome. Let's do one more. Good back scratch. Okay, good try. Okay, now come on over here. All right, now what we're going to do is this. We are going to pretend that this baseline is that fence. I'm going to put my left foot along the fence. I'm going to start off back scratch, toss, and trap. So we're doing a half motion. Go for it. We'll just do two. Good, good, good. One more. And we're doing this in a concise fashion, meaning if you were working with a class, obviously you'd lengthen all of this out. But we want to keep this video nice and short. Okay, terrific. That's the half motion. Now I'm going to show you the full motion. The full motion looks like this. This is the full motion. Now, good, we're going to break it down in terms of a camping trip. So first thing I want you to do is make a TP with your arms. Just make a TP. Next thing is this, eagle. Fly like an eagle. Poison ivy, scratch that back. Swat the mosquito. Okay, let's do it again. TP, eagle, poison ivy, mosquito. This time you say it, okay?
TP, eagle, poison ivy, mosquito.
Okay, awesome. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to actually do that full motion, camping style. TP, eagle, poison ivy, mosquito. And I'm going to have you try it. All right, here we go, folks. All eyes on young Bia.
TP, eagle,
Okay, try it again. Here we go. Nice and easy with the toss.
TP, eagle, poison ivy,
And mosquito. Good, one more time.
TP, eagle, poison ivy, mosquito.
Fantastic. High five. Very good, very good. So really, really simple way to progressionally take students through the serve. That would be probably more like a 15 to 20 minute period. Again, we wanted to make it short, put it into a 1 minute video, but pull that into your coaching on court. Thanks guys, have a good day.